In this video, I'll show you how to send crypto from Kraken to your Phantom wallet. Start by signing into your Kraken account and make sure you have the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Next, open your Phantom wallet and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. After that, tap Receive and copy your wallet address. Make sure you're copying the address for the correct blockchain network. For example, Solana assets should be sent to your Solana address. Now return to your Kraken account and click Withdraw. Next, choose the same cryptocurrency you selected in Phantom. After that, if this is your first time sending to your Phantom wallet, click Add Withdrawal Address, paste your Phantom wallet address, give it a recognizable name, and complete any required security verification. Now select the withdrawal address you just added and enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Next, carefully review the wallet address, blockchain network, withdrawal amount, and any applicable fees. Double-check that the network on Kraken matches the network supported by your Phantom wallet for that asset. After that, confirm the withdrawal and complete any required two-factor authentication or email verification. Finally, wait for the blockchain transaction to be confirmed. Once the transfer is complete, open your Phantom wallet and verify that your crypto has arrived. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send crypto from Kraken to your Phantom wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.